let's come back and see. In 2008 paper, they've given us what are lyophilic and lyophobic salts. Okay, done. Give an example for each of the type. Okay, which of the following two types of salts are easily coagulated? Yes, so I've done this in video number 22, but in second question I'll tell you how to write. Which one of these two types of salts is easily coagulated? Okay, so when I've taught you the differences between lyophilic and lyophobic salts, I asked you to remember one concept, that is IRS, right? I stands for intrinsic, R stands for reversible, S stands for stability. So among both, which is more stable? Lyophilic is stable, lyophobic is unstable, remember. So whichever is unstable will get fast, it will get coagulated faster. So what do they ask? Which of the two types of salts are easily coagulated? So the answer would be lyophobic. Why? Because it is unstable. That's it. You're going to write your answer like that. So what's that video? Video number 22. Next, what causes Brownian movement in colloidal solutions? So I did this in video number 15 under the thumbnail, does Brownian movement affect the stability of colloidal salts? So watch that video for the information.